In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur in Clipchamp easily. So let's get started. First things first, let's open up a web browser and head over to clipchamp.com. Once you're on the website, you'll want to log in. So if you haven't created an account yet, go ahead and sign up, or if you already have one, click on sign in. Once you reach the login page, click on continue with Microsoft. This option will seamlessly connect your Microsoft account and log you into Clipchamp. You might need to select your Microsoft account if prompted. After logging in, you'll be directed straight to the Clipchamp homepage, where you can start getting creative with your videos. Now that you're at the homepage, click on Create a new video to begin editing. The next step is to bring in the media you want to work with, so navigate to the Import Media button. Here you'll be able to upload a video or image from your computer. Simply browse your files and choose the media you'd like to edit, then wait for it to upload. With your media imported, it's time to add it to the timeline. You can do this by clicking or dragging the video or image directly onto the timeline below. Once your media is on the timeline, you'll want to duplicate it. The duplicate will allow us to apply a blur effect separately, which gives us flexibility while editing. Next, select the top video or image clip on the timeline. This step is crucial because the blur effect is going to be applied only to this layer. After selecting the top clip, it's time to isolate the area you want to blur. This is done by cropping the particular part of the video or image you intend to conceal. Carefully adjust the crop to cover only the section you want blurred. Having cropped the necessary area, head over to the Effects tab, where you'll find various enhancements you can apply. Among these, look for and select the blur effect. This is where the real magic happens, as the blur effect is applied to the cropped section, effectively obscuring the part of the video or image you chose earlier. Finally, to get the perfect blur that suits your needs, you might want to make some adjustments. So, feel free to tweak the blur intensity as needed until it matches your vision. This tweaking is simple and can be done using the available sliders or settings that Clipchamp provides. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully blur out any part of a video or image using Clipchamp. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance your videos and ensure privacy where needed. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.